Timu ya bururi ya athaki mugwanja muthako-ini wa gonya Shujaa ni cokereirie guku bururi-ini thutha wa muthunguko wa kana ngucanio-ini cia HBSC World Rugby Series mucii wa Hamilton wikendi thiru kuria mandikithirie pointi 12 na kwambatira ikinya rimwe murugamo-ini wa ngucanio ici kumana na kuhotwo ikerekeire ria final ni Samoa na pointi 19-15.
And it enables them to swing onto the attack again. Here's the try scorer Uma.
Nyafara Innocent Simeone yete ati niganirite na mumira imwana ici akiuga kirari kiambiriria kiega makiria mbere ya maingirite mehariria-ini kiumia giukite ni undu wa muthunguko wa gatano wa ngucanio ici mwena wa Las Vegas mweri twerekeire.
We're back to training and we're very hopeful. If we train well again, I'm sure we will get the performance that we want. We have a tough pool in Vegas, and for us it will be the first game versus France that will be focusing to just set the standard in regards to what we want to achieve.
Mwena-ini wake captain wa timu ino Oscar Ouma nigite ati muoroto wao ni kumatha pointi 100 mbere ya gutiriha ngucanio ciothe akiuga matiri marate mwerekera.
Good feeling. Sisi tuangalie kwanza ranking as such ni points zenye tuna get from tour zote tunaenda, because tukianza tulikuwa nasema tunataka kumaliza na 100 points. Sasa tuko na 35 which tuko on target, so we can still make that goal at the end of the series.
Muthunguko wa gatano Kenya igitwo thiini wa pool A na mabũrũri ta Fiji, France oro ũndũ ũmwe na Russia ngucanio iria ikahũrwo mwaki kwanjiriria mweri twerekeire mucii wa Las Vegas. Ngiribotera metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Mwihaki wa Ndogo.